Welcome to this amazing video blog, where we embark on a spiritual journey to explore some of the most revered and sacred sites in Islam. In this clip, we'll take you through the main ritual of Medina, a profound visit to the holy Rawdha, the grave of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the resting places of his closest companions Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu and Umar radiallahu anhu, and the site where it is believed Isa alayhi salam will be buried upon his return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As you can see, this is also the location where the adhan is performed within Masjid Nabawi. First up, the Holy Rawdha. Our journey begins at the Holy Rawdha, a lush and tranquil space within the Prophet's mosque in Medina. It's said that the space between the Prophet's pulpit and his house is one of the gardens of paradise. Believers flock to this blessed area to offer prayers, recite Quran and seek solace. Walking within the Rawdha is akin to walking on hallowed ground, as it is reported that the Prophet ﷺ said that a prayer in this area is guaranteed acceptance. We now move on to the most emotional part of the pilgrimage for anyone in Medina. Firstly, look at the crowds. This area of the masjid is always busy. Why? Because of the grave of our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. We visit the sacred burial place of the beloved Prophet ﷺ, located inside the Prophet's mosque and right near the Holy Rawdha. This simple and unadorned grave holds immense significance for Muslims worldwide. The Prophet ﷺ's life and teachings continue to inspire countless people, making this site a focal point for reflection, supplication, and a deep connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After passing our salams to our beloved Prophet ﷺ, we also give salam to the Prophet's closest companions, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu and Umar al-Khattab radiallahu anhu. Their resting places are situated next to the Prophet ﷺ's grave, symbolizing the unbreakable bond of brotherhood and leadership they shared with him. These two noble companions played pivotal roles in the early Islamic community and are highly regarded for their unwavering faith and dedication. According to the vast majority of scholars, the graves are positioned as follows. Slightly by the side of the grave of our beloved Prophet ﷺ is the grave of Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu, who is positioned in such a way that his head is aligned with the blessed shoulders of the beloved Prophet ﷺ. And by the side of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu is the grave of Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, whose head is aligned with the shoulders of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Also, something many Muslims don't know. Islamic tradition holds that Isa alayhi salam will descend to earth before the end times. As us Muslims believe, he is not dead. Rather, he is in an unconscious state in Jannah. Through the will and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will return back onto earth, reminding those that strayed away from his message who he is and that Islam is the truth. He will rule for 40 to 45 years, where there will be utmost peace within his time on earth. He will marry, have children, and of course, the promise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that every soul shall taste death. Isa alayhi salam has to taste death and return to his creator. His burial site is believed to be in close proximity to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and it serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all the prophets in Islam. However, a point to note is some scholars do carry the opinion that the narration for this is weak. Our journey through these sacred sites reminds us of the profound spiritual heritage of Islam. Each location is a testament to the enduring love and reverence Muslims hold for our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions, as well as the anticipation of the return of Nabi Isa alayhi salam. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of these revered places and inspires you on your own spiritual journey. So make sure you do not leave Medina without witnessing these amazing sights.